I I don't know. It feels like it's surreal, and I don't think now that you say it, it's been that many years.
Hmm.
In fact, I feel like uh, my cup song was the marker of the beginning of many things,
Hmm.
and that was in 2016. So this year will officially mark like 10 years
10 years,
of
yeah.
being around. It's been exciting, man. I don't know what else to say. It's just been extremely adventurous. There have been many highs, many lows, and I have enjoyed. It's been a joyride, I would say. And then I have whatever that has come my way, I have enjoyed being on this joyride. I wouldn't know. I mean, I feel like I would want my audience to tell me that. I would want the people who have worked with me to tell me that because I have just been a wide eyed child learning everything and taking it all in and soaking it all in because it's a dream life, right? Like, this is what I had dreamt of, and I am fortunate and privileged that I'm getting to live it. So
Hmm.
I don't know. I may or may not have evolved personally. I hope I have because it's always a good thing. But I have enjoyed everything, I guess. That's the most important thing. Wouldn't think that I imagined it to work out exactly like this. The hope and dream and imagination was to be an actor. And I guess that is what continues to be. Like, it continues to be so because I feel like I always wanted to be a better actor today than what I was yesterday. And that is my goal every time, every day, every year that passes. And whatever opportunity I got to be that actor, I grabbed it with both hands and I just did whatever I could. So for me, even when I started, it was never about, oh my God, it's the internet, oh my God, it's the theater. In fact, if anything, I love being in all of those places. In fact,
Hmm.
I started backstage in the theater in English, like I worked with some English theater companies in various capacities. So at some point, the hope was, yeah, if feature films happen, great. So I have lapped it up. Like, I'm enjoying the fact that now I get to do so many of those. The nervousness is still intact. Because these are legends that I have grown up watching, and just suddenly to be in the same space as them is very, very intimidating. I wouldn't lie. But there is, at the same time, it is so inspiring that, you want to just somehow just keep that nervousness at bay and then just like do whatever you can and give your best. And I feel like all of them are legends because they enable you
Hmm.
to be comfortable. They enable you to do better. And Irfan sir has done that for me. Kajol ma'am has done that for me. Amir sir now has done that for me. So I feel like the reason we all look up to them is because of these traits that they have. I was told that I was given some synopsis of the film. I was told the story that it is two spies have taken adopted a brown baby boy, and they've taken him to the UK. And now, like, this boy has grown up and now has been sent back to India on a mission. And there are some people that he meets on his mission along the way. And I was one of them. And to give a little bit of context, which now the audience is also saying कि ये Delhi belly की याद दिला रहा है. So
Hmm.
वो दुनिया बहुत अलग है. और
Yeah.
just for contextually to explain to someone, that was a good brief to give कि वो जो दुनिया थी वैसी कई ऐसे कोई दुनिया
Hmm.
है. So I feel like that came to me first. Then
Hmm.
the character was just too badass. Like, I feel like she's a tikhi mirchi, I would say. Like, she is
Hmm.
like, her name is Rupa. She's the most sought after dancer in Panjore and in the town, and she's very badass. Like, she self defense is like at peak. Like, doesn't matter. Like, even if she feels a little threatened, she's like, मैं आ जाऊंगी, like, don't come near me
Yeah.
types. So, and I have not played that. I have not been part of a film that has comedy as its genre.
Hmm.
And with Veer Das co-directing, co-writing, and as somebody who has enjoyed his comedy all along, I
Hmm.
was like, okay, great, this is a great setup. And of course, Amir sir was the producer. So
Yeah.
everything kind of came together. Kavi Shastri and Veer Das were co-directing, Amog Randave and Veer Das were co-writing, and Amir Khan Productions was producing. So I was like, okay, this is a great setup. The plot is interesting, the character is interesting, and then I auditioned for it. I
Hmm.
auditioned with Veer and Kavi. एंड काफी बार ऐसे होता है कि ऑडिशन देने के बाद यू काइंड ऑफ हैव अ फीलिंग कि अच्छा ये ठीक ही थी, ऑडिशन नहीं ठीक थी. दिस टाइम आई वाज सो नर्वस अबाउट इट बिकॉज you don't expect anything until
Yeah.
it happens to you, because you
Hmm.
don't know what is going to come out of it,
Yeah.
because auditions can pan out very differently. Maybe
Hmm.
if they see you on screen, it's sort of like a look test, and they're like, you know your acting is great, but you don't look the part. You look the part, but I feel like your acting can be better. Like a
Hmm.
lot of those things change, right, once they see
Yeah.
you. So I was like, okay, fine, let's give the audition and let's see. But I was so nervous because I was like, this is such a fun setup that I want to be part of it. I was like, really, I had kept my fingers
Manifesting
crossed.
it.
Yeah, I just hope that, I get to be part of something like as whack as this. And it happened. So, yeah. I never thought of a genre of comedy also. That's a very interesting question actually. I don't think I've identified that for me. But whatever that you see in Happy Patel is the comedy that I do enjoy. It is slapsticky in some ways. It is dark in some ways. It
Hmm.
is like it's
But
all
there is no
sorts of.
horror comedy, which is the flavor of the season.
There is no horror comedy in this.
Yeah.
No, no,
Yeah.
no. Also, horror comedy might be a genre I enjoy, but horror I don't enjoy. So I,
Hmm.
I mean, no, don't enjoy means मैं बहुत डरती हूँ. Like
Hmm.
even like all the horror film people, like the fanatics who say कि अच्छा ये this is not so scary also. This you can watch. Even those films I'll not watch because I'm like I don't want. But horror comedy I've not explored. Having said all of this, I think I would like to explore all sorts of genres. I'm happy to I'm happy to experiment with anything. So yeah, I feel like slapstick I enjoyed. Dark comedy also I enjoy to an
Hmm.
extent. It's very sweet actually. Imran and I worked on a film called Katti Batti 10 years ago. And in fact, when we met on the sets of Happy Patel, we shared this with each other, that this realization that 10 years ago, Imran did like he was on his last film set
Hmm.
before he came back on a film set 10 years later, and I was part of that set, and now I'm part of this set, and I was glad that I could be part of that journey with him. So it was very fun. It's always fun to work with him, and he's somebody also who made me so comfortable on set, because that was my first Bollywood film ever,
Hmm.
Katti Batti. So Nikhil, so obviously was very kind and warm, but like because I had to play Imran's younger sister, I had most scenes with him. So he
Hmm.
made it so easy and so comfortable. And he's also a very warm, very smart, very like, he knows how to make the other person comfortable. And he did all of that. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लगा कि अरे पहले बार इसके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ तो कैसे करेंगे वगैरह. He was very, very warm to me. And it was nice to welcome him back on a set, and I was still there. So I was like, this is great. It's a great
Yeah. And I have to ask you about Veer Das as well, because he's the director and the actor. So is there a difference between when Veer Das is the actor and when Veer Das is the filmmaker? Is there any difference, or he's just the same?
I mean, he's very good with blending in both those roles. What happened with me was essentially when he was, and again, like Veer and I have a lot of scenes together. So while he was on set, Kavi was the one on the monitor and directing both of us. So when
Mhm.
he surrendered as an actor, he surrendered as an actor. Like it was not like वो scene करते वक्त like he was looking at me as a director and saying अच्छा तू ये नहीं करिए वो नहीं करिए. If at all he felt something was off, he would go back to the monitor, see a review, and then come and say if at all he had some sort of an input.
Mhm.
But the good part is that he didn't confuse those roles. Like in between, he didn't stop, he didn't change anything. He was also an actor when he was an actor. Like on set, in the frame, when he's an actor, like
Mhm.
that. I haven't seen that happen with me personally.
Mhm.
I feel like there are no misconceptions at all. I feel like ये पहले हुआ करते थे. And misconceptions नहीं कहूंगी, but I will definitely say that there were certain beliefs कि if you do television, going to do feature films is easier. Like this is
Mhm.
what I was told when I started 10 years ago. Maybe, why don't you do a TV show?
Mhm.
And and I was the kind of a person always who was like, if you tell me this is how it works, I'll not do it.
Hmm.
I want to figure it out on my own. I want to explore my own path. So, so again, like I said, I don't think it is a misconception. These were theories. These were beliefs. Ke maybe do a
Myths and
South
all.
film,
Yeah.
then you will do then it's easier to do a Bollywood film. ये भी मैंने पहले सुना है. But
Hmm.
I was like, if you tell me that यही करना पड़ेगा तो मैं नहीं करूंगी. I'm like, I'm a rebel like that. कि ये मत बोलो कि
Hmm.
this is the only way to do it. And the beauty about being an actor or anyone, any part you play in this industry, I feel like each one of us has a different story. You cannot compare anyone's story to anyone. Whether you're
Hmm.
starting out new, whether you already have a connection, सबकी कहानियां अपनी अपनी अलग होती है, which is the beauty of like आप किसी से भी बात करोगे उनकी कहानी अलग से निकलेगी कि वो
Hmm.
कहीं पहले मैं कहीं यहाँ काम कर रहा था, पहले मैं कहीं ये स्कूल में जाता था, फिर मैं ये कॉलेज, everybody has a different background.
Hmm.
And that is the fun of it. So I don't think there's any misconception, not that I have come across any, like not that anybody has exposed me to it. But in fact, if anything, this is a very new world that I got to explore, because the internet revolution essentially started when I started working as
Hmm.
an actor. So
Yeah.
the concept of web shows, web series was so new in 2016 that I am so glad that I got to just get onto the bandwagon with it. Everything
Hmm.
was new. I was willing to explore it because I was, like I said, jahan bhi, whatever opportunities I would get to be an actor, I would just lap it up. So if this is what comes to me, I'll do it. It was my thing. So I never differentiated between, ओ वहां पे नहीं जाने मिलेगा या मैं ये करूंगी तो ही मुझे ये मिलेगा. आई वॉज ओपन टू गो विद द फ्लो एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. I'm very, I don't know, strange, I guess, definition of it. I feel like I should be able to sleep well at night, restful, and I should be able to see myself in the face myself after having done whatever I have done. That is success for me. Like it is peaceful. ये
Hmm.
मुझे कल जाके ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए कि अरे मैंने वो क्यों किया, अरे मैंने ये क्यों बोला, अरे मैं वहां क्यों गई, अरे मैंने ये रोल क्यों प्ले किया.
Hmm.
All of my decisions will be conscious, whether they are good, bad, not good, I will find out. But in the moment, if I feel like this is something that is right for me in the moment, maybe
Hmm.
आगे जाके वो right नहीं होगा, but I should be accepting of me. So I feel like if I'm able to do that and continue to do that, that is success for me.
So you don't want regrets. That's what you're saying.
Preferably. Yeah.
Then how do you take risk? A follow-up to that.
I still do ना. I still took a risk only. 10 साल से risk ही तो ले रही हूँ. मुझे कहाँ पता था where I will be headed. So far I have been okay with this theory of mine, so I will stick to it.